Hey guys, just me and the old good-looking lady here built a truck shell camper thing. Sorry we didn't get the build part for you, but we'll give you the aftermath part. Here it is. So there's a shell. Open up the old. Ooh. We put down some of this. We got this shit at Lowe's for 20 bucks. So it seals up the tailgate and the body. And these drawers, yep, just pull out. We're gonna put some Tupperware shit in here with the cooking supplies. Let's get our camping chairs. That'll be for, I don't know what else we're gonna put in here. Bodies. Oh yeah, little side pockets open too. Those are held together with the little magnet latch thing there. That side shovel, whatever. Then we bought this mattress. It's a memory foam mattress from Walmart, 6 inches. It goes all the way to the back and it's comfortable as hell. Hey, take your shoes off. I'm gonna get a shot of your butt.
Shut up.
Now these cupboards here, we haven't got the insides all the way done yet. We're gonna fold these down. I gotta hold like our blankets or extra clothes or whatever you want to put in there, really. And we got some solar powered lights. They won't turn on now probably because it's, oh yeah, they are on. Yeah, solar power. She's got the control box up there. And we're just gonna mount that to the window or something. But yeah. And we're gonna go camping this weekend. And hopefully it works out pretty good. Now show me your boobs.
No.